Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your PS4 out of safe mode. So if your console keeps starting in safe mode, you just have to follow these instructions. First of all, you need to press and hold the power button until your console beeps. The screen goes blank and the power indicator flashes white, and then you just have to turn off. You need to remove the power cable and leave the console for 20 minutes. Then you need to reconnect the power cable and press the power button to turn on the PS5 console. If your PS5 console still starts in safe mode, you need to go to clear cache and rebuild database, then clear system software cache and then press OK. So with the help of these instructions, you will be able to easily fix this safe mode stuck on PS5 console error. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.